Hi, it's Dino Redwell. Welcome to a new gigs tutorial here in rockmedia.com. In today's video I will be sharing a trick on how to fix your car hood clip retainer. Welcome back. We'll be taking the Ford Fiesta as an example for our tutorial in which we have faced this problem. So let's open up the bonnet or hood and see what is the problem that most of us may face. Okay, so as you can see here we have the support or the hood support which must be stuck in there, but unfortunately the clip retainer has been broken. And this support is no longer on its place or fixed. So we'll try to find a trick in order to keep this bonnet support fixed. For this we're gonna need this some parts of strong hose, and we'll need to cut almost 1 centimeter of it like this. Next you need to open from one side, cut it
www.rackmedia.com.
one side like this. Pay attention to your hands, fingers, not to get hurt. Okay. Okay, next we'll try to find where this clip retainer must be, the appropriate place. Okay, here it's great. Yeah, let's get it out. Next we're gonna need the strong glue, one like this one. Okay, and spread some glue on the side that should be stuck in there. Here. Okay, so before you add the glue, we recommend that you clean the clip retainer properly in order not to leave any dust. Just add some on it, and next we add on this part of the hoods or the fix, and put it there. Hold it for a few seconds in order to get stuck. So close this. Okay, you must keep it there until it gets dry, and it will become stronger enough to hold the hose. Okay, so just make sure it is on its appropriate place. We'll come back to it after a period of time when it gets dry. Half an hour is enough.
www.rackmedia.com.
And here it is after almost 1 hour. We have, as you can see, the glue has become dry, and the clip is strong enough now to hold on the support of the hood support. Now we can test it. Okay. So just put down the support smoothly. Okay. As you can see, it is working well. Problem solved. This will make sure that you will not have no noise or any problems when running. Okay. And your hood support is on its correct place. This is a fix. Hope it works for you, or if you are lucky enough to find a new one, it will be better. Okay, so this for those who cannot find a new one. Peace. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it. Click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and the notifications to get the latest tutorials that will inspire, empower and connect you.
www.rackmedia.com.
Bye for now. See you next video.